Theresa Jackson of V.I.T.A of the Low Country has joined me. And Theresa, every time we chat, I'd like to start with you explaining a little bit about what V.I.T.A is.
Thank you, yes. So V.I.T.A is the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program, and we provide free income tax assistance preparation for working families, individuals, anyone age 60 or above, anyone with disability, or whether English is a second language in their home. Last year, we provided over 2,300 free tax returns and filed those, which resulted in over $4.5 million being returned to the Low Country.
That is amazing. Very impressive numbers, and obviously a fantastic service that you're offering. So in order to do that, though, I know you need volunteers, so tell us a little bit about those needs.
Yes, obviously we need a lot of volunteers every year, and the biggest need is certified tax preparers. However, you don't need to have prepared taxes professionally in the past. You don't have to have an accounting degree. Many of our volunteers have just expressed an interest. They thought it would be something that they would enjoy doing, and we provide training. The IRS provides an online training. We'll also be doing an in-person training this week on Thursday and Friday at the Bluffton Library, and people can connect with me, and I can put them in touch and get them enrolled in that training as well. We have needs for the Beaufort, St. Helena, Bluffton Library, Ridgeland, as well as Hardyville. So we do have a great need for new volunteers this year. And one thing too I can say about our volunteers is that people that I recruited back 10 years ago are still volunteering with V.I.T.A. So we have a lot of people who love to come back every year, and we'd like to recruit some more moving forward.
Yeah, absolutely. And it is now January, we're in the new year, so really people are starting to think about getting this done and getting their taxes together.
Yes.
So when do you officially start accepting clients?
So the last week of January, our sites will officially open. And so most people get their W-2s at the end of the month, but there are some people who get it earlier in January. So our sites, depending on what days that they are open, will open that last week in January.
And so for people who are looking to volunteer, is it a specific time that they have to commit to, or maybe one day a week? What does that look like?
Most of our sites are open one day a week, other than the Beaufort Library, which is open twice a week. But depending on what their schedules are, most volunteers will volunteer only one day a week. However, I do have many volunteers that like to do more than that. So they'll serve at one site on one day and then another site on a different day. So.
Excellent. Well, again, thank you for what you're doing in the community. It really is a great service.
Thank you so much.